Dry cough treatment at home. Dry coughs is very annoying and interferes with daily routine, especially sleep. Do you know by following these remedies you can treat cough at home? Gargling with salt water. It helps to relieve sore throat and assists to eradicate bacteria. 1 teaspoon of salt should be added to 8 ounces of warm water to form a saltwater gargle. Honey consumption. Honey has been demonstrated to be useful in treating coughs. Honey can be consumed on its own or mixed with hot beverages like tea or water. Lozenges. Using cough drops or lozenges can help to ease a sore throat and control coughing. Drinking lots of liquids. Keeping hydrated helps to break up mucus and ease coughing. 8 glasses of water should be consumed every day.